Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify data pipelines with Snowflake, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin verifying data pipelines in Snowflake, first, ensure you have access to the Snowflake console. Log into your Snowflake account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Databases section in the dashboard. Select the database that contains the data pipeline you want to verify. Next, go to the Warehouses tab to check the status of your warehouses. Make sure the warehouse is running to execute any queries related to your data pipeline. Now, head to the Schemas section to find the relevant schema for your pipeline. Click on the schema to view the tables and views associated with it. Identify the specific table or view that contains the data you wish to verify. Run a simple select query to fetch a few rows from this table or view. Examine the results to ensure the data appears as expected. To perform a more detailed verification, check for row counts in both the source and target tables. Use the count function in SQL to get the total row count from each table. Compare these counts to confirm that data has been transferred accurately. To further validate the data, you can use the qualify clause or window functions for specific checks. Write queries to assess the integrity of key metrics or fields in your dataset. Review the results carefully to identify any discrepancies. If any issues arise, investigate the data loading process for potential errors. Once verification is complete, document your findings for future reference. This concludes the basic verification steps for data pipelines in Snowflake. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.